Have you ever wondered why salting food changes its texture? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind how salt draws out moisture from vegetables, meats, and more. Salt is a versatile ingredient in cooking. It enhances flavors but also affects the texture of foods by drawing out moisture through osmosis, which can change how food feels and tastes. When salt is applied to vegetables like cucumbers or onions, it creates an environment where water moves from the vegetable into the salt due to osmotic pressure. This process can make vegetables firmer and less soggy. In grilling, a dry brine using salt can improve the texture of meat by initially drawing out moisture. This process helps to firm up the meat's surface, leading to better cooking results and enhanced flavors. The application in Japanese cuisine is a prime example where salt is used to draw moisture from ingredients like cucumbers, aiding in achieving the desired texture for dishes such as salads. However, it's important to note that while salt draws moisture out initially, it also plays a role in reabsorbing this moisture during cooking, which helps season the food from within. Understanding how salt works can significantly impact your cooking techniques. It's not just about flavor, but also texture and moisture control in dishes, enhancing the overall culinary experience. So there you have it. Salt is more than a seasoning. It's a tool for controlling moisture in your cooking. What other kitchen secrets would you like to explore? Let me know in the comments.